week, and we are starting some literacy. We are talking all about the double O sound, the long double O sound. Ooh. Ooh. And we know that the double O sound also makes another sound, like in foot. But today, let's listen for the ooh sound. So, ooh, n. What would that word be? Ooh, n. Moon. Yeah. So now that you know that double O makes the ooh sound, how would you print moon? What's the first sound you hear? Let's print it together. M. The double O sound, ooh, two O's together. Now what would come at the end of moon? Do you hear it? What letter makes that sound? That's right, N. So you should have printed M-O-O-N. Moon. All right, let's try another one. I'm going to break it up. O, oo, n. O, oo, n. Loon. Loon. Do you know what a loon is? Yeah, they make great calls, don't they? It's a big bird, black and white, and they go loon. So how would you spell loon? It's the first sound you hear. Did you say L? Amazing. Now we know we need the ooh in the middle, so that's our two O's. You got it. And the n at the end. N. Yeah, an N. Okay, we'll do one more. So there's the first sound. Ooh, no. Ooh, no. Soon, 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 soon we will have a snack. So what's the first sound that you hear? What letter? Then the ooh, double O, we got that, and the no. All right, let's see if yours match mine. You ready? Moon, loon, soon. You got it. All right, the second thing we're going to do today is we're going to watch a video about the moon. It's called The Moon for Kids. So I thought it would be great if you listened and watched, and then after the video, you will have a discussion and see how many things you've learned about the moon. Do you know anything already? What do you know? Okay, now watch the video and write down what you've learned. All right, have so much fun listening to about the moon. See you soon. Bye.